Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a hepatic abscess with a mass. You all know very well about the hepatic masses. I will discuss here a few things about the hepatic abscess. You can see the liver. Now you can see the gallbladder. A fair amount of thick sludge is seen in the gallbladder. On ultrasound, liver abscesses are typically poorly demarked with a variable appearance ranging from predominantly hypoechoic with some internal echoes to hyperechoic. Gas bubbles may also be seen. Color Doppler will demonstrate the absence of central perfusion. A liver abscess is defined as pus-filled mass in the liver that can develop from injury to the liver or an intra-abdominal infection disseminated from the portal circulation. The majority of these abscesses are categorized into pyogenic or amoebic, although a minority is caused by parasites and fungi. Now you can see the liver mass. This mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency, round to oval in shape, and it measures about 6.3 centimeter into 5.2 centimeter. No fluid is seen in the mass. Now the most common microbes responsible for liver infection are gram-negative, enteric, and pneumococci. Risk factors of bacterial infection include decompensated alcoholic liver disease, fulminant hepatic failure, gastrointestinal bleeding, invasive procedures, and impaired immune system. Now you can see the abscess, and you can see it has an ill-defined outline and a thick enterbed fluid is seen in its interior. There are many possible causes of liver abscesses, including abdominal infections such as appendicitis, diverticulitis, or a perforated bowel, infection in the blood, infection of the bile draining tubes. Symptoms of the liver abscess may take 2 to 4 weeks to appear. They may include fever, chills, sweats, general discomfort, or sick feeling. Again, you can see this abscess. This is the hepatic mass, and you can see the abscess measures about 6.3 centimeter into 5.4 centimeter. Left untreated, however, a liver abscess can burst and spread the infection, leading to sepsis, a life-threatening bacterial blood infection. An untreated liver abscess can cause sepsis. Majority of the pyogenic liver abscess resolve to normal parenchyma within 18 weeks time after the treatment. However, some lesion may take longer time to heal even after successful treatment. A liver abscess can develop from several different sources, including a blood infection, an abdominal infection, or an abdominal injury which has become infected. The most common infecting bacteria includes E. coli, enterococcus, staphylococcus, and streptococcus. Again, you can see the mass and the liver abscess. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.